most exciting things. I mean, some steel's been up, but it's usually when things really start to take shape is when you can see it vertically. We're working to pour the casting slabs next week, which then after they cure, we'll pour the tilt-up slabs, and then you'll see those walls start to go up, and then steel will follow it. Masonry's started. It's all below grade at this time, and we'll backfill it to start going vertical there too. We've kind of listed out what we've had going in June and July. You'll see grading and excavating on there for quite a while still. Site utilities the same. Footing and foundations is progressing really well. We're about 80% complete there. Site concrete's moving from the west to the east, which is the majority of the project site's kind of doing. And then our underground MEP, they're working in like area A and area B. The electrician and plumber are kind of away from each other, and then they're flip-flopping around each other. So we've coordinated to keep them outside of each other's space.
How's our favorite band study going?
We haven't seen any update. The Corps has given us a rough, or the consultant that's working with Corps has given us a rough time frame, but hasn't hit yet. So we don't have any updates on it, other than what we said last time is the bats that were found were not endangered.
Any concerns that have changed from last month on that, from Wright?
We're anxious to have the report back, but that's.
We've